2009 GMC Acadia. AC doesn't work. I tried to recharge it, and as soon as I put coolant in there, it started blowing out of the back here. I could hear it. This AC line back here, I don't know if you can actually see it or not. It's right behind this power steering line. This power steering line runs right up against the ferrule on it, where it's crimped on. Runs right against the AC line. It rubbed a hole in it. I mean, I'm putting Freon in there, and you can see it just hissing out of there. So the line is right there. They make a repair kit for it. I ordered one today. It won't be here till Monday. Evidently, it's just a compression fitting. You cut this end of the line off and then put a compression fitting in there. So we'll do that Monday and try and recharge the thing. It's really bad design, and it's not that somebody had it off there. This is like an ongoing problem with a bunch of these things where the line is just up against it, and the AC power steering line ain't new. It looks like the original one. It's never been changed, and it's, if you got enough of these cars out there that everybody's complaining about the same thing and rubbing right through there, nobody's ever replaced the line. So I'm going to put a compression fitting on there, and then I'll wrap a piece of I'll try and move the line out of the way so it's not up against it, bend it or wire tie it out of the way. Actually, probably what I'll do is, once I get everything back in there, I'll wrap a piece of hose around it. Just if it does rub, it can rub, and it ain't gonna hurt it just rubbing on hose. I'll just cut a piece of heater hose, split it down the side, and wrap it around there, and wire tie it in place, and we should be good. Kind of need the AC this year. Ran it without it last year. Put off fixing it, and this year I need AC in this thing. Well, the wife does. I got AC in my truck, but the little woman needs some AC. Well, not just her. We'll be taking this because it's the nicest thing we got. And I mean, it looks halfway decent. We bought this at auction. It was a flood vehicle. Did all the services on it because it was a flood vehicle. Changed all the fluids and the transaxle, transmission, engine oil, rear end, everything. And it was all good except the AC didn't work. And drives good. I mean, I guess it's fairly nice for, I don't know how much these things were. It's a full-time four-wheel drive. SLT. Doesn't get very good gas mileage, I guess not, if it's full-time four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, whatever you want to call it. And the headlights ate the hell up. But as soon as I get that in, I'll do a short little video on putting the compression fitting in there. And gonna have to borrow a vacuum pump and some manifold gauges. It's been a long time since I've done any AC work. I think I sold my gauges and vacuum pump probably about 22, 23 years ago, something like that. And haven't used them, so I haven't used any since. So it's been a while since I've done it, but used to do a lot of them. Starting off when I worked in a damn gas station, I did them then. That's 40 years ago. But we'll get to it. Anyway, if you like my videos, please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that jazz, and we'll do a follow-up on this thing. I already did the pressure sensor for the oil pressure sensor last week. Didn't do a video on it because it had a lot of cussing going on there because you can't really see the thing. It's down kind of behind the alternator next to the below the oil filter a little bit down in here, and there's no clear way to see it to get to it, but we got it. Well, actually my son got it. I had him do it because I was at the point of throwing shit, but we'll do the next one. Thank you. Have a good weekend.